Hey guys, I didn't, yeah, whatever. Hi sisters. That's my impression of James Charles. But okay, today I'm gonna be testing out if this kind of slime works. This glue stick slime that is from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so we're gonna do this, and this is gonna be so good. I don't know if it works, but I'm ready to cut up a piece. And I got my ingredients. I got everything I need. Ew. Okay, I got this. No, that is not it. And the glue stick. Now I have to go get. Oh wait, something. It's an ingredient. 2 ingredients: baking soda and contact lens solution. I almost got the same one as my mom's, but hers is different. They gave me my mom has 2 containers of contact solution because I wasted one, but she won't give me that one. Ugh! And so let's try to crush it with my hands, yeah. Oh, it stinks. It smells. I'm basically poking it with okay, so that's how far I could go, and I have some in my hands. I won't be adding food coloring because it looks like it already has food coloring. That's so bad. Oh my gosh, I'm running out. Because I've been playing with it, no reason. Making cereal for dolls, but then put some dolls away. Not so good slime because I put too much. So I'm gonna remove some. You know what? It's not coming out, so I'm just keeping it there. Time to mix. Ew. Someone in the bed. They're sleeping and farted. That was this. Oh my god. Chipotle. Okay, I'm already adding in the, what's it called? Ew, looks like boogers. Okay, so I'm already adding in. Wait, did it work? No, it did not. Well, it did work, but ugh. What is this? Why is it white in it? Ew. Not pokeable at all. Man, I want slime that is pokeable. Ew, and there's some chunks still in there. Oh, ew. It's not stretchy. It's sticky though. And yeah. Added more drops of contact lens solution, and it's not working out. Maybe I just gotta knead until it's white. Because there's some chunks in there. It does clean your hands. normal slime. Normally slime would do that, but not slime, does not slime. I feel like I'm wasting so much of my contact lens solution. Well, I just got it, new bottle, but I feel like it. So, this is the results. It got whiter, not pokeable still. Wait, I'm gonna try to poke it. If it's not sticky, it would be pokeable. Huh. Whoa. I'm starting to like this actually, because it's pokeable. You hear that? Okay, but it's sticky. And now it's stretchy. Well, I don't prefer making this unless you want to have weird hands. Well, I don't think you need weird hands. I already have weird hands. And I got this as a first grader on my middle finger. Right there. No one in my class notices my normal middle finger and then my bad one. They don't look alike. And yeah, follow me on social media stuff. For example, musically, it is Camilla the Unicorn. And yeah, I can only tell you that because I don't want to take up another information that my mom and dad won't let me. It's Facebook. It's just family stuff. I'm gonna watch a movie and relax, man. Okay, but I like the color so pooping much. The color just made my day, and the consistency, it just made my day too. And I can't believe it's pokeable. But no bubbles, cause I don't think you know this, but sticky slime, I don't know this, but yeah, I'm just saying it. I don't think that sticky slime could make a bubble. Well, this is the consistency of the slime right now. It's pokeable if you manage to get out the slime off your hands. And it's with this glue stick. I used to use it in school, but not anymore because it didn't work. So, like this slime, it didn't work too. But yeah, this is actually a nice consistency. I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Okay, so I'm gonna go. Yeah, I was just now in Musically watching this from this guy called.
Alright guys, you guys have 10 seconds to get to 1.5 mil. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 8.
No. But yeah, I don't know. And do you want him? Okay, so this is mine. My favorite muser of them all is Cute Whale. I'm gonna duet with him.
What do I do? Introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Tom. What? No, not to me. Okay. Hi, I'm Tom. No, to her. Okay. Hi, I'm Tom.
I don't know if you saw that well.
Introduce yourself.
And I don't know his real name, like.
Hi, I'm Tom.
N-O-H. I remember when he hit 1 million and like started counting like this. I love that. Oh, but I think that was a long time ago because he's getting famous. Famous. I used to think I had the wrong Musically because it didn't look like Musically. My favorite is Walls Could Talk, but I can't even do a good one of a good Musically of Walls Can Talk because it's hard. Like, I can't do it well. You make me a maniac, but you don't know. I just want to flip my phone like, and it starts going, whoa. I can't do like, whoa. And if I do this cringy, and everyone does it. For example, my friends. Okay, so where is this girl? Okay, well, I'm gonna search up her name. She's the bomb. The bomb. She's my friend too. You make me a maniac, but you don't know. Well, baby, that's you. I was playing with the slime. I don't know how to see the people I'm following. Gonna watch a movie. So many people are liking my stuff. For example, my bestie. Her name is Sonia78. Scooby-Doo Papa. I love that song. I'm gonna call her. Wait, I'm gonna. I don't think I'm supposed to be calling her because she might be sleeping. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's butter slime. It's really butter slime. I went, and it's really, literally butter slime. I didn't even add nothing. So this was I guess a fail? I don't know. My favorite Musicallys I have made. Well, follow her. Look at her profile. I don't know if you guys could see it. This is her name, Sonia Taylor, but she named herself Sonia T789. And Sonia T stands for Sonia Taylor. Okay, so I don't know if this was a fail, but bye guys! Love you all!